Summer is a great time to find a job or an internship. Even though coronavirus has caused some changes to how we work and what's available, there are still many great opportunities out there. Here are 3 ways you can find a great summer job: increasing your cash flow and helping your societal productivity. Number 1, use Job Launch. Y'all know you like swiping left and right? Well, our job search tool, Job Launch, helps you find entry-level jobs in your area with a quick swipe. All you have to do is swipe right on the right job. Number 2, ask your network. Talk to your friends, family, teachers, community members, and see if they know of any jobs or internships. Not all jobs are posted online, so tap into your network. Number 3, summer youth employment programs. Check out your city's or county's website for more information about summer youth employment opportunities. Want more? Head to getschool.com right now for more ways to find a summer job, or text JOBS to 335577. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all of our videos.